Alright, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to pick up with some more calculus here. It's going to be another integration practice video. This is going to be example number 20 in the integration practice series. Alright, so this one's pretty easy. So we're just asked to evaluate the integral e to the x times the square root of 1 plus e to the x dx. And this one is pretty easy. All we really need to do here is a simple u substitution. We can pick u to be what's under the square root, which is 1 plus e to the x. Taking the derivative of that just gives us e to the x dx, and we end up with 1 over e to the x du is equal to dx if we actually solve for the dx part. And what that does is it cancels out the e to the x for us, and if you're not convinced, let's just see why. So we have e to the x, remember u is everything that was under it, and then we'll have 1 over e to the x du, and hopefully here you see that our e to the x's cancel out, and that just leaves us with the antiderivative of the square root of u du. Now remember that the antiderivative of the square root of u du is 2 over 3 u raised to 3 over 2. It would be no different if it were the antiderivative of the square root of x. It would basically be the same thing with a different variable. It would be 2 over 3x raised to the 3 over 2. Technically plus c, technically, if you want to be technical with it. Okay, so having said all of that, we know that all we have to do is just put the u back in, which was just 1 plus e to the x. Okay. So that's going to be the answer. So let's go ahead and put that back in and add our constant. So our final answer for this one was extremely easy. We were asked to integrate e to the x multiplied by the square root of 1 plus e to the x dx. And our answer to this is simply just going to be 2 over 3, 1 plus e to the x, all raised to 3 over 2. And don't forget to add your constant of integration. And that's your answer. All right. So I hope that made sense. All right, so let me know if you got any questions about it. We'll talk about it. I'll see you next time.